Peace be with you. How are you doing? Today we are beginning the Advent season, and it's a good reminder for all of us, especially those who are rushing for Christmas. It's not yet Christmas season, it's still Advent. Here in the Philippines, uh, when September comes, some already thinking about Christmas. But actually, it's not yet Christmas. It's still ordinary time, and Advent comes first before Christmas. Christmas season begins at the evening prayer of December 24. What's the point of emphasizing this? We are reminded that Advent season comes first because we have to have penance before the celebration of the feast. The tendency is we want to jump into celebration without any examination of conscience, without any act of contrition, without any receiving the sacrament of penance, without even fasting. But Advent is still important in order for us to prepare for the coming of the Lord in the second time. And of course, we prepare for the annual celebration of the Incarnation. And the third is, the Lord is always coming during Holy Sacrifice of the Mass. So preparation is necessary. If there's one thing that is embarrassing is we are caught unprepared. Your visitor is already there, and yet you're not still uh, well prepared. So it's very important that prior to the coming of the Lord, in His second coming, in our annual celebration of Christmas, or remembering incarnation, and in His coming at the holy sacrifice of the Mass, we ought to prepare. That's why I'm encouraging you, my dear friends, to spare a moment to examine yourselves. Try to review your inner life. Am I so concerned with the externalities? Am I so caught up with uh, the activities? And yet, I forget to nourish my interior life. So, let's thank the Lord that there is Advent. There is still time for us to cleanse ourselves and to make ourselves ready for His coming. In nomine Patris, et Filii, et Spiritui Sancti. Amen. Have a blessed Advent to everyone. Amen.